गाइस, मैं हूँ आपकी दोस्त द सोफिया स्टडी अड्डा से। जैसे कि हमने पिछले का पॉलिटिकल नहीं पॉलिटिक्स के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट से क्वेश्चंस किए थे, तो आज हम उसे पूरा रिवाइज करेंगे। उसे उसके अगले कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। इसलिए फटाफट से स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी रिविजन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये था कि डिसीजन टू कंडक्ट द पंचायत इलेक्शन इज टेकन बाय द आंसर वाज स्टेट गवर्नमेंट। इसके बाद है कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑफ इंडिया वाज एस्टैब्लिश इन 6 दिसंबर 1946। फिर इसके बाद था व्हेन वाज द फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली हेल्ड 9th December 1946. The resolution of giving a constitution to India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly 22nd Jan 1947. The decision to conduct panchayat election is taken by which of the following? It was state government. Who was the prime minister at the time of 73rd and 74th amendment of the Constitution of India pertaining to panchayat and nagar palika? P.V. Narasimha Rao. Federal Finance Commission in India relates to finances between states and central. The finance consists of a chairman and other members who had suggested a merger of finance and planning commission. M.V. Thakur, sorry. The planning commission is an extra constitution body and established in 1900 by executive order. Actually इसका आंसर मैंने यहाँ नहीं लिखा है. मैं आपको ये आंसर कल with the questions जरूर बताऊंगी. The term district judge is mentioned in which of the following article of Constitution is 233. The advisory jurisdiction is the march jurisdiction of Supreme Court, not of High Courts. Okay, the next question is the salaries and allowances of the judges is higher court are charged to the consolidated fund of the state. The full form of Niti Aayog is National Institute for Transforming India, and which Indian state had the first woman chief minister? UP Sucheta Kripalani. Which is the only state in India to have the common civil credit? Goa Civil Code is based on Portuguese Civil Code of 1867. Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh. Who does not take oath of office? Speaker. Who has termed Constitution a sacred document? B.R. Ambedkar. Who among the following call the preamble of Indian Constitution the horoscope of our sovereign democratic republic? K.M. Munshi. Which one of the following is empowered to alter the boundaries of states under the Constitution of India? It's Parliament. By which of the following case Parliament got the right to amendment fundamental rights? Keshav Nanda Bharti case. And which of the following acts the provision was made for the establishment of the Supreme Court at the Calcutta? It is Regulating Act 1773. Sorry for my bad handwriting. मैं आपको बता रही हूँ अपने प्यारे प्यारे मुंह से, तो फिर आपको समझ आ जाएगा. सो सॉरी फॉर द अगर आपको मेरी राइटिंग समझ ना आ रही हो, तो फिर अब मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि आप अपने ईयरफोन्स कान में लगाएं और मेरी राइटिंग को थोड़ा इग्नोर करें. अब नेक्स्ट है which of the following acts set up the diarchy system at the central level? Government of India 1935. अब नेक्स्ट है when was the fundamental right to property abolished? In 1778 by the 44th Constitution Amendment. Who processed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Jawaharlal Nehru. How much time the Constituent Assembly took frame of Constitution? It was 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. When did the Constituent Assembly adopt the national flags? 22nd July 1947. How many parts, articles as schedule was tuned in the original India Constitution? 22 parts, 395 articles and 8th schedule. What is the maximum age for candidate take part in the President India? 35 years. If there is any dispute regarding the President election, it can be referred to Supreme Court of India. In case of the death of the president, India, who will act as the president of India? Chief Justice of India. The Speaker and the Deputy Speaker of the House of the People in the Parliament is Article 93. It's 93 only. Okay, and the 10th schedule of India Constitution deals with the anti-defection law. Which article of Constitution provides the protection to the accused regarding conviction, double bar, and incrimination? It's Article 20. Article 29 is the protection of interest of minority community. That's all for the yesterday revision, and now we are talking about, or we will going to discuss about the next some important politics of हिमाचल प्रदेश, नॉट ओनली हिमाचल प्रदेश बट ऑल पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ इंडिया. और ये आपको अपकमिंग एग्जाम में किसी भी एग्जाम में आ सकता है, तो फिर ये आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है पढ़ना. आप इसे इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते, बिना पॉलिटिक्स की चीज़ें नहीं होगी. ओके, फिर है द आइडिया ऑफ पार्लियामेंट इज अडॉप्टेड फ्रॉम यूके. The right to safe and clean drinking water is recognized as fundamental right under Article 21. Who has the power to adjudicate dispute between the center and the state? Supreme Court. Which is the first ever state constituted on linguistic basis? 1953, Andhra Pradesh. How many types of justice has been enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Justice, social, economic, and political. Prevention of cruelty to animals. Listed in which list of the Constitution? Concurrent list. Presenting there are 22 languages in the 8th schedule of Constitution. English is not one of them. Which of act of British Parliament abolished the East Company monopoly over the trade in India? Charter Act of 1813. The Act of 1909 was associated with introduction of separate electorate. In which following cases the Supreme Court hold that the preamble of forms part of Constitution? The Boomer versus क्या लिखा है ये, सॉरी, of India, Dinesh Goswami. Camry all was concerned with electoral reforms. I will tell you tomorrow about this word, what it is. Actually, I'm also not getting what it is. Okay, so next, the committee which recommended that Panchayati Raj institutions should be constitutionally recognized was L.M. Shinghai Committee. फिर उसके बाद है by which of the following act the Legislative Council of India received the power to discuss the budget? Indian Council Act 1892. Okay, and who was the right under the Constitution to seek the opinion of the Supreme Court? Only question of law. President. The right under the Constitution to seek the opinion of Supreme Court. ठीक है, इस राइट का मतलब किसने स्टार्ट करा था, मतलब ये राइट किसने स्टार्ट किया था कि भाई जो है सुप्रीम कोर्ट की ओपिनियन लेना, एक लॉ बनाया गया, वो बनाया गया आपके प्रेसिडेंट द्वारा. Fourth schedule of the Constitution of India deals with allocation seats for status. Which article of the Indian Constitution is related to Indian foreign policy? Article 51. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Constitution on the recommendation of Swar Singh Committee. President of India is elected by the elected members of Rajya Sabha and state legislative assemblies. To whom does the President of India address his resignation? Vice President of India. The dispute relating to the election of President is referred to that Supreme Court. Which article of Indian Constitution empowers the President to consult the Supreme Court? Article 143. Who can remove a judge of Supreme Court? President. Chief Justice of India can be impeached by the President of India and advice of the Parliament of India. The Indian legislative was made for the first time by the Government of India. It's the Government of India here. And Sachidanand Sinha temporarily chaired the first meeting of this Constituent Assembly was held on 9 December 1946. How many sessions of Indian Constituent Assembly were conducted for the formulation of Indian Constitution? It is 12. Who among the following was chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Jawaharlal Nehru. The other committee and their chairmen were committee and ruler of procedure Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Starting committee was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, States Committee Jawaharlal Nehru, Drafting Committee Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Provincial Constitution Committee Sardar Patel, Advisory Committee of Fundamental Minorities, Tribal and Excluded Areas Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This committee had two subcommittees, Fundamental Rights Minority Committee H.C. Mukherjee, who was the President of Indian under the National Congress at the time of part-time of India Kripalani. First lady became the governor state in India Sarojini Naidu. If the Speaker Legislative Assembly of a state wants to resign, he will give the authority to the Supreme Deputy Speaker, who presides over the meeting of the National Development Council of India. Prime Minister. Establishment of Lokpal and Lokayukt in India was recommended by Administrative Reforms Commission. The decision of disqualify the person declared convicts by the court to contest the election has been made by the present parliament. Which of the following is concerned with the 61 amendment of the Constitution of the Indian Constitution, lowering the age of voters? Function to be assigned to Panchayat 73rd amendments of the Constitution are mentioned in 11th schedule. The appointment of governor in the state is made as per the provision in Constitution under the Article 155. That's all for the polity. Next time I'll share another content with you. Hope you like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.